Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone and apps. Make sure both apps are open. Tap Recent Apps. This gives you the app cards to work with. If one app doesn't support split screen, try opening a different app or use an alternate compatible app. Once the app cards are visible, locate the three-dot menu or the split screen icon on the app card. This is the control that initiates split mode. You're set to trigger split screen and position the two apps. You now activate and arrange split screen. Tap the three-dot menu or the split screen icon on the top app card. The top app pins to the upper half. Next, pick the second app from recent apps or the home screen to fill the lower half. You can drag the middle divider to change proportions. Make sure to pause briefly after dragging so the UI recalculates layout. If you need to swap apps, tap the center divider's swap button or use the app switch gesture for quick reordering. You finish by adjusting and exiting. Use the divider to resize for reading versus typing, and press home to exit split screen when done. To return to single app mode quickly, close one of the split apps from recent apps. If split screen doesn't activate, make sure both apps are updated and the system is current. Reboot the phone if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if an app refuses split mode, force close and reopen it, then attempt split screen again. That often resolves transient UI issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.